Hi guys, my name is Ruslan. Today we're gonna show you this amazing project. It's called INCOME15. So as you can see here, they're gonna give you 15% for 10 days. The minimum deposit is $20, the maximum is 13K. Minimum withdrawal is 5 and you can withdraw instant every day. Total earning you're gonna get 150%. So you're gonna get 100% your money back and then 50% profit in just 10 days. As you can see, if you put $100, you're gonna get 150 to total return. And the project has been running 19 days. Total deposit almost $2 million. Total withdraw around $700,000. So let's go to the dashboard. As you can see here, guys, yesterday I put around $100 and in my balance I have 15. As you can see, we can deposit our money with Bitcoin, USDT, Tron, and BNB. Same thing as the withdraw. So I think, yeah, I'm gonna withdraw now. So we're gonna put 15 here, then requests. Yeah. So as you can see, guys, I made the $15 withdraw. See the earning history. Yeah, I will leave the link in the description, guys. Please like the video, subscribe. Please make sure, guys, you invest what you can afford. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.